Now we're going to do the Wi-Fi data logger installation. Same port as the cellular. That is the port. We're going to take the cap off the port. It's keyed. We're going to install it in the port in the keyed position. Tighten it up nice and tight. The logger is installed, tightened in. We're coming into our app. We're going to select the plant like we did with the cellular. All right, we're going to go to device and we're going to add device. All right, this is where the scanner comes up. We scan the serial number, hit ensure. Now we're going to connect. We come to connect. There's our serial number. This gives us the information we need to know on what to do next. Okay, make sure phone connected to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, let's check that. The phone is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Okay, come back here. Now that we've done that, we're going to go to next, and we're going to enter the password for that network. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and enter the password. This is very, very complex password, so don't even try to copy it. All right, now we come up with this screen. Now we have to connect to the device because these things have to sync. So we're going to click on the device. There's the AP device. It is now connected. All right, come back here. Now it's going to begin to form the sync process, and it's going to take a while. This takes a couple minutes. Once it syncs up, then we'll start to send data to the Wi-Fi network.